हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट समराइज ग्रुप डिस्कशन। तो समराइज ग्रुप डिस्कशन में आपने इस टेम्पलेट को आपने कैसे यूज़ करना है, मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट करके बताऊंगी। दैट इज़ इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, इट्स रिलेटेड टू द स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म। तो हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट इट। तो यहाँ पे आपको रिकॉर्डिंग सुनाई देगी, स्पीकर 1, स्पीकर 2, स्पीकर 3, इनके कीवर्ड्स आपने उठाने हैं।
Did you see the notice on the bulletin board? The school's thinking about making us wear uniforms every day. I'm actually pretty excited about it. No more stressing over what to wear in the morning. I spend 15 minutes every day rummaging through my closet, and I still end up wearing the same hoodie. Uniforms would make mornings so much easier.
Totally agree! And it would stop all the silly comparisons, too. Last week, some kids were making fun of Mia because her shoes weren't a popular brand. If we all wear the same uniform, no one can judge each other based on clothes. It would make the school feel more equal, right?
Wait, are you guys serious? I hate the idea of uniforms. They're so boring. All plain colors and baggy fits. I love picking out outfits that show my personality. Jacket with patches is like a part of me. If we have to wear uniforms, we'll all look like clowns. Where's the fun in that?
Yeah, but personality doesn't have to come from clothes. You can still wear cool accessories, like your favorite bracelets or those colorful socks you love. And think about the money. My mom spends so much on new school clothes every season. Uniforms are one-time buys, so it would save families a lot of cash.
Exactly. My little brother's school has uniforms, and my parents say it's cut their clothing budget in half. Plus, uniforms are way more practical for PE or art class. You don't have to worry about getting your nice clothes dirty.
But practicality shouldn't mean giving up style. And not all uniforms are cheap. Some schools make you buy them from specific stores, and they're super expensive. My cousin's uniform shirt cost $0, and she needed 3 of them. That's not saving money for everyone. Plus, what if the uniform doesn't fit right?
Oh, I didn't think about the fit issue. But maybe the school would offer different sizes? Like, not just...
Now I will explain you how to attempt it. The discussion was mainly about the school uniform. The speaker discussed about the school uniform, which is a daily wear uniform. He further mentioned about the bulletin board and the one sentence, the student should wear uniform every day. After that, the second speaker focused upon the uniform and hoodies and shoe, and uniform was further explained in the discussion related to the uniform is a boring outfit. The third speaker also shared information about denim jacket, these types of outfits. He provided in detail about the discussion of the uniform is a one-time bias. Towards the end, the discussion focused upon uniform shirt is its cost is $40. Overall, the discussion included an important detail about styling hair, styling clips, hair clips, and white sneakers. So in this way you can attempt your question, and it's in front of you how you can do. Now you can see my score also, it's front of you, 76 out of 90. ठीक है जी। कंटेंट मैंने प्रॉपर उठाया, प्रोनाउंसिएशन मेरी 79 आउट ऑफ 90 गई है, 73 फ्लुएंसी आउट ऑफ 90 गई है, तो आपकी वहाँ पर फुल्ली जाएगी 85 प्लस मार्क्स आ जाएंगे आराम से। इन दिस वे यू कैन अटेम्प्ट।